Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the CapCut text to audio to do your voiceover. So this is a pretty new feature on CapCut where you can easily turn text to a voiceover. So you can just use this feature if you are too lazy to do a voiceover. So you can start by clicking on the add audio or click on text in here, and you'll see there is a text to audio option. So by clicking on that, you can just paste your text here, or and you can insert line breaks to split it into separate caption. So let's try to write the text first. For example, hey guys, let's learn how you can use the CapCut text to audio feature. Okay, you can write up to 3,000 words, and here you can just click on done, and after that you can select the voice. So you can choose between this option, or you can also click on the more voices to see lots of others voice. I think I might be okay, there's a typo in here. Okay, let's select the voice. For example, here I'm going to use a male voice, and then I'm going to use this. Let's try the normal male.
Hey guys, let's learn how you can use the CapCut text to audio feature.
Okay, let's try the energetic male.
Hey guys, let's learn how you can use the CapCut text to audio feature.
So I think you can just select the voice that maybe fits your videos. And
Hey guys,
that's all
let's
for
learn how
me.
you can use the
Thank
CapCut
you so much
text
for
to audio
watching.
feature.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Bye.